Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box, and here we can check and see the USB Type-C cable, the original supercharger brick with all of the specs, also the Type-C for USB, the adapter, and the next thing, this is the protective case, the silicone protective case, and the safety guide, quick start guide, and the warranty cards, and also the SIM eject tool. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.